In this video, you will learn what happens with your baby this week, what happens to your body, things to do or consider this week. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. During week 17, your baby will now start responding to loud noises. A barking dog, a door slamming, or a moped passing nearby, your baby can hear it all. The sounds will startle the baby at first, but gradually he or she will get used to it. This way your baby gets to know what life outside is like before he or she is born. At 12.2 centimeters and a weight of 138 grams, your baby is as big as a pear, as heavy as a smartphone, and the gender is clearly identifiable. Your belly will now really start to grow at 17 weeks pregnant. It is possible that acquaintances, or even complete strangers, will suddenly start feeling your belly. If you don't mind this, then of course, there is no problem at all. But if you do find it annoying, it is advisable to let them know in a friendly manner. You don't have to feel guilty about telling them off, it's your belly. To prevent any problems with falling asleep at night, it is recommended to avoid drinks with caffeine, such as coffee or energy drinks. It is also best to avoid soft drinks, because of the sugar they contain, which can keep you awake. Before going to sleep, also turn off your mobile, laptop and TV. End the day with a cup of warm milk with honey and chances are, you'll fall asleep in no time. You might also be suffering from a headache during week 17. It is not a normal headache, but often a stabbing pain in the sides of your head. What's the cause of this headache? Your hormones. Thanks to the hormones, you will experience most of the ailments that persist until birth and sometimes after. There is not much you can do against these ailments, except to take it easy and ensure that you live a healthy life. In addition to the growth of your baby, the midwife will also pay attention to your belly's growth and your body weight during the entire pregnancy. If you gain a total of about 10 kilos of extra weight during pregnancy, that's all good. Are you gaining more weight? You won't be the only one. This extra increase can have various causes. It could be that you eat too much, but it could also very well be that you retain a lot of moisture. The midwife will look at the underlying causes. Do you already know what you're going to name your baby? If you have a partner, it is good to discuss this together. Should the baby be named after a grandfather or grandmother? Or are you looking for a nice name on the internet? There are plenty baby names websites, name apps and name books available which you can use to get inspired.